Welcome to this scenario on collectibles. My name's Andy Wicks. A lot of people enjoy collecting things. Some collect stamps, some collect antiques, and some collect Lego characters. Some people collect several different kinds of things, for example Roman coins or old silver teaspoons. You thought it might be a good idea to create a computer program which allows collectors to catalogue their collection and find its values, obviously just for insurance purposes. One of your neighbours has collected stamps from childhood and classic cars once they made their millions. So you've decided that this neighbour could help you make your program. You know little about what real collectors would want from such a program, so over a barbecue you ask this neighbour a few questions. And it turns out to be much more complicated than you imagined. They want to know about provenance, who's owned it, when they bought it, and so on. They want to know the date of manufacture, to have photos, the number of these things in circulation, etc., as well as all sorts of things that you don't even know about yet, and they didn't think to tell you. Now, obviously they'd like the value, but the question is where to start and what to do.